Hello everyone, welcome to Ekam IAS Academy. Today we are seeing an article talking about the importance of the nutrition and the challenges we are facing because of malnutrition. Malnutrition is caused when a body is deprived of vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. Nutrition is very important for a body to work. Otherwise, it can lead to many health issues like cardiovascular issues, gastric troubles and many of the other issues, like it can reduce the productivity of your work as well, and it can reduce your cognitive skills also. So let us talk about the effects of the malnutrition. So when we talk about malnutrition mainly covers two categories. They are undernutrition and overweight. Undernutrition and overweight. When we talk about undernutrition, this category covers stunting, which is low height for age, and wasting, low weight for height, and underweight, low weight for your age. And other one is micronutrient deficiency, which is because of lack of important minerals. And other one is overweight. This results in obesity. It is mainly because of unhealthy diet. Which can result into many health issues like cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, etc. because of obesity. These are all non-communicable diseases. So keeping all this into consideration, National Institute of Nutrition under ICMR, which is Indian Council of Medical Research, have given a comprehensive guidelines on diet, especially for the vulnerable groups like pregnant women, children and elderly people to follow for proper growth and development. As we have discussed before, optimal nutrition is very important for people like pregnant women, children and elderly people. It mainly affects children and make them unproductive in the later stages of life, and it can increase our mortality rate of India. Generally, children face nutrition deficiency because of their lifestyle, because of their unhealthy diet. Do you know unhealthy diet alone contributes to 56.4% of our total disease burden? And one of the main and major common problems seen because of the malnutrition is anemia, which is lack of iron deficiency, and which results in low level of RBC, red blood cells, and hemoglobin, which results in weakness, dizziness, fatigue, etc. And the guidelines are emphasizing on the reduction of the salt level in your diet to reduce many of the health issues. And it is recommending to take nutrient intake from 8 different food grains, and it is suggesting to reduce the cereal consumption and increase the consumption of proteins from pulses, meat, poultry, fish, etc. So they have given group specific guidelines also. For pregnant women, they are suggesting small frequent meals including fruits and vegetables. For infants and children, they are suggesting breastfeed, and there is no need to give honey, glucose and diluted milk. And after age of 6 months, complementary foods must be included. And when we talk about elderly, they are suggested to take food which are rich in protein, calcium, micronutrients, fiber, etc. So this is all about the guidelines given by the National Institute of Nutrients. When we talk about initiatives with respect to nutrition, we have Poshan Abhiyan, which ensure the malnutrition-free India. And we have Anemia Mukt Bharat, which ensures the accelerating the rate of decline in the anemia. Midday meal. It is introduced to increase the nutrition level in school-going kids. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. Through this, 6,000 rupees is directly deposited in the bank accounts of the pregnant for their well-being and the delivery charges. The National Food Security Act, through this 2013, to ensure the food and nutrition security for the vulnerable groups through their associated schemes and programs. Integrated Child Development Services. It was launched in 1975. to ensure food, preschool education, primary health services for the children who are under the age of 6 years and their mothers. So these are some of the initiatives regarding the nutrition. So this is all for today. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. All the best.